Hi, in front of me is POCO X3 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Firstly, just open Devices settings and tap on About Phone section located at the top. Now click on device name above storage and type in wherever you wish to. When you finished, you can discard your new name by clicking on this X at the top left corner, or save it by clicking on checkmark at the top right one. I will go with save, so when I click, as you can see, name of my POCO has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!